हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक बुक्स एंड ऑथर डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। बुक्स ऑफ महात्मा गांधी, हिंद स्वराज, कॉन्क्वेस्ट ऑफ सेल्फ, नॉन वायलेंस इन पीस एंड वॉर, इंडियन होम रूल, पाथवे टू गॉड, ट्रुथ इज गॉड। चलिए, बुक्स ऑफ रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर, किंग ऑफ डार्क चैम्बर, पोस्ट ऑफिस, गीतांजलि, गोरा, हंग्री स्टोन्स, द कोड डांसर, रैक। नेक्स्ट, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, इंडिया डिवाइडेड, द यूनिटी ऑफ इंडिया एट द फीट ऑफ महात्मा गांधी, सत्याग्रह एंड चंपारण। बुक्स ऑफ जवाहरलाल नेहरू, bunch of old letters, glimpses of world history, letters from a father to his daughter, the discovery of India, toward freedom, letters for a nation. Books of Sarojini Naidu, golden threshold, the bird of time, expected fluid, the feather of dawn, Indian weaver. Books of R.K. Narayan, the guide, my days, the English teacher, Swami and friends, the bachelor of arts, the dark room, my days, the vendor of sweets. Books of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Indian philosophy, an idealist view of life, religion, science and culture, the Hindu view of life, search for truth. Books of Khushwant Singh, Train to Pakistan, The Portrait of Lady, Karma, Women and Men in My Life, A History of Sikh, The Company of Women, The Sunset Club, Burial at Sea, The Lost Victory. Books of Salman Rushdie, Midnight's Children, The Golden House, East West, Imaginary Homelands, Moor's Last Sing, 2 year, 8 month and 28 night. Books of APJ Abdul Kalam, also known as Missile Man of India, Wings of Fire, Ignited Minds, India 2020, A Vision for the New Millennium, Mission of India, A Vision of Indian Youth, Inspiring Thoughts, Turning Points, Failure is a Teacher, You Are Unique. Books of Indira Gandhi, My Truth, Internal India, People and Problems. Books of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, The Problem of the Rupee, Its Origin and Its Solution, Thoughts on Pakistan, What Congress and Gandhi Have Done to the Untouchables, Who Were the Shudras. Books of Lala Lajpat Rai, Unhappy India, Young India. Books of Annie Besant, Wake Up India, The Spiritual Life. Books of Vikram Seth, The Golden Gate, A Suitable Boy, and Equal Music, 2 Lives. Books of Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gita Rahasya, Arctic Home in the Vedas. Books of Subhash Chandra Bose, An Indian Pilgrims, The Indian Struggle. Books of Dada Bhai Naroji, Poverty and Unbritish Rule in India. Books of Anuradha Roy, The Earth Spinner, Sleeping on Jupiter, The Folded Earth, All the Lives We Never Lived. Books of Arundhati Roy. The God of Small Thing, The Algebra at Infinite Justice, The Cost of Living, Power Politics. Books of Deenbandhu Mitra, Neel Darpan. Thank you, friend.